Today I'm going to share Genesis 1 through 13. Now, if you have been following me on my channel, Growing, we are going through a summer memory challenge in Genesis 1, and we are finally up to verse 13. And I have been practicing this, so I hope I can share it with you to the best of my ability today. Genesis 1 through 13. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw the light, that it was good, and God divided the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. So the evening and the morning were the first day. Then God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." Thus God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. God called the firmament heaven. So the evening and the morning were the second day. Then God said, Then God said, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and let dry land appear." And it was so. God called the dry land earth, and the gathering of the waters he called seas, and God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb that yields seed, the tree that yields fruit according to its kind, whose seed is in itself on the earth." And it was so. And the earth brought forth grass, the herb that yields seed according to its kind, the tree that yields fruit, whose seed is in itself according to its kind. And it was so. So the evening and the morning were the third day. Well, I made it through. I hope you did too. I am so glad that you are here. I just pray that as you memorize God's word, that it will go deep into your heart. Hi, I'm Shonda, and here at Growing, we memorize God's word one verse at a time. We have been doing a summer memory challenge in Genesis 1. I have a complete playlist with all the verses and teaching videos if you would like to be part of this community. I have a free Bible memory kit and a Bible memory journal that you can download off of my Gumroad store. I am so thankful that I can share this Bible memory here in this beautiful creation. You can see behind me the beautiful fields, and you can hear the birds singing. I am in awe of what God has done as I study Genesis 1. Have a wonderful day.